Hello, good evening, everybody. We must pay attention to our health, especially our mental health. They say there's speedy news and of situations coming our way. We are also going to get visitors and we are being asked to share. And the unicorn spirit says when you share, everyone feels happy. There are situations in the balance that require careful attention, and the unicorn says, yes, we must go for it. They say we've had losses in the past, but we got the upper hand of our lives right now. We must stay light-hearted and carefree and within ourselves. We have the power within ourselves. Something that you have prayed for and longed for so long is coming your way. Trust that it's coming. You are highly thought of in the heavens, and they want you to know the changes you are making are positive. Positive things are coming your way. It's new things that you don't even expect. Um, they say that you have set your boundaries of peace, love, and those things that keep you solid. So move forward with those things. Stay positive. There is happiness in all areas of your life coming. It's just happiness, happiness. The cars are shooting out happiness for me today. There's brightness and hope and nice things coming your way. That is because you're aligning with the stars, with your destiny. And the destiny card says a forgotten promise will be fulfilled. Just be patient. You are being taken care of by the angels and your spirit guides, and they want you to know that you are climbing towards success. And your loved ones want you to cleanse your energy of any negativity. Just say, go. I don't want it around me anymore. You want to be in your own peace and calm. They want you to pray for peace and justice in the world, and trust that rulings will be in your favor now. Don't give up. Have a lovely evening and a very good night's sleep. Night, night, everybody.